Causes of outside tire wear. We'll go over each reason in great depth so you know exactly how it affects your tires and what you can do to lessen the wear. Our reader-friendly methodology makes sure that the information is presented clearly and understandably, enabling both car enthusiasts and inexperienced drivers to quickly grasp the ideas. We prioritize readability to provide you with useful information that can be used in practical situations. Tire wear on the outside may be a sign of a number of underlying problems that require addressing. Finding the underlying causes is essential to solving the issue and extending the life of your tires. The following are some typical causes of outer tire wear. Wheel misalignment. The weight on the tires may be distributed unevenly if the wheels are not properly aligned. Due to this imbalance, the tire's outer edges bear an excessive amount of weight and lose tread sooner than the rest of the tire. Under or over inflation. Improper tire inflation is another cause of tire degradation on the outside. Underinflated tires have more touch with the road's surface on the outside, which accelerates wear. Conversely, tires with excessive air pressure tend to wear more evenly throughout, leaving the edges largely unaffected. To promote even tread wear, it is crucial to maintain the optimum tire pressure. Suspension issues. Defective suspension parts can have a detrimental impact on tire wear. Tires that tilt inward or outward can be brought on by worn-out ball joints, control arm bushings, or other suspension components that interfere with the alignment settings. This mismatch increases the strain on the tire's outer edges, causing uneven tire wear. Driving aggressively. Your driving style can have a big impact on how quickly your tires wear out. Aggressive driving techniques, such as sharp turns, rapid acceleration, and abrupt stopping, put too much pressure on the tire's outer edges. This may result in exterior tire wear patterns and accelerated wear over time. Road conditions. Some road conditions might speed up tire wear on the exterior. The tires may wear unevenly, especially on the edges, due to rough or uneven terrain, potholes, and debris. Regular exposure to such road dangers can hasten tire wear on the outside. You can take the appropriate actions to address and resolve the problems by being aware of these typical causes. In order to reduce outside tire wear and promote even tread wear across all four tires, regular wheel alignments, keeping adequate tire inflation, checking and fixing suspension components, adopting moderate driving habits, and being aware of road conditions are all recommended. We will examine solutions and preventative methods in the parts that follow so that you can avoid tire wear from the outside and keep your tires in good condition. Are you learning from the video so far? Great! You won't want to miss out on our future content. So subscribe now to stay updated. Let's keep it going. How to prevent outside tire wear. The good news is that outside tire wear is frequently avoidable with certain preventive steps, despite the fact that it can be an irritating and expensive issue. You may reduce the chance of exterior tire wear and encourage even tread wear for a more durable and secure driving experience by performing the following preventive measures. Below shows the proper preventive measures for outside tire wear. Regular wheel alignment. Schedule routine wheel alignments to make sure your vehicle's wheels are correctly positioned. An expert alignment optimizes tire contact with the road surface by adjusting the wheel angles to the manufacturer's standards. This lessens the tension on the tire's outside edges and helps distribute weight across the tires evenly, reducing premature wear. Proper tire inflation. Maintain adequate tire inflation by checking and changing the tire pressure as needed to the recommended levels. Overinflated tires may result in higher wear at the core, while underinflated tires may cause the outer edges to deteriorate more quickly. For information on recommended tire pressure, consult your car's owner's manual or the plaque on the driver's side door jamb. Even tread wear is guaranteed and tire performance is improved with proper inflation. Suspension component upkeep. Frequently check and maintain the suspension parts of your car. Ball joints, control arm bushings, and shocks are a few examples of worn-out or broken components that can compromise alignment and accelerate tire wear on the exterior. Have the components inspected and replaced as necessary if you see any wear indicators, such as excessive play or leaking. This lessens the chance of uneven tire wear and aids in maintaining good alignment. Gentle driving habits. Steer clear of aggressive driving techniques that place undue strain on your tires. The outer edges of the tires may wear down more quickly while making sharp turns, accelerating quickly, or braking suddenly. Driving safely and smoothly requires planning stops and turns ahead of time. Driving carefully will reduce tire stress and encourage uniform tread wear. Tire rotation. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for a regular tire rotation schedule. Moving the tires from one position to another, such as from front to rear or cross-rotating, is known as a tire rotation. This encourages even tread wear and helps balance out the wear on all four tires, especially the edges. For the right rotation schedule and frequency, refer to your car's owner's manual. Road condition awareness. Drive cautiously and steer clear of potentially dangerous situations to reduce tire wear on the outside. Potholes, trash, uneven roadways, and abrasive surfaces should all be avoided. If you come upon an unavoidable road danger, slow down and maneuver carefully. You can lessen the possibility of uneven wear on the tire's outer edges by decreasing the impact on the tires. These precautions can help you extend the life of your tires and dramatically lower the likelihood of outer tire wear. Even tread wear and a smoother, safer, and more cost-effective driving experience is achieved by routine maintenance, adequate tire inflation, considerate driving techniques, and attention to road conditions. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.